Here's how you can easily remove wallpapers from your iPhone. First, swipe down from the top left corner of your screen. If your phone is locked, you'll see your lock screen, and if it's unlocked, you'll see your home screen. Once you're on the lock screen, tap and hold anywhere on the screen's center. In a moment, all your wallpapers will appear, and you'll be able to swipe through them to view every wallpaper you've set in the past. If you want to delete a wallpaper, simply swipe up on the one you no longer want. A trash can icon will pop up on the screen. Tap that icon and confirm that you want to delete it. Now that the unwanted wallpaper is gone, you can go ahead and set a new one, keeping only the ones you like. This method allows you to clear up any wallpapers you don't want cluttering your device. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Your support really helps. Thanks for watching.